Okay, before you go for the fluent part, this is the one thing I observed here. So delete this contact region from here. And the mesh should be a single part. Okay, so again save the project and close this geometry application. And right click on the mesh and click on the update. This will take some time. And now double click on the setup to open the Fluent. If you already opened this Fluent, then you have to click on these two curvature green tick marks. Okay, first of all, we have to display the mesh part or the mesh. So mesh is displayed, and second thing is that the boundary conditions, just check the names: wall, inlet, outlet. This is the interior, this is also a wall. So let me check the which wall is this one. Okay, display the arrow file. Okay, so I think we left something in the Ansys meshing, so therefore I am going back to the Ansys meshing. Or maybe this is not from Ansys meshing, but this is from the geometry where we define the name selection. So I'm also going to open the geometry first, and then I will update the mesh, and then I will be updating the setup. Open geometry as well. So just make sure that all the boundary conditions are defined properly. So the arrow file, I think yes, we missed this bottom surface. These three parts should be the part of this arrow file boundary condition. So 1, 2, 3, 4, generate and close this one and open the Ansys meshing. This will ask you that the upstream data has been modified. So yes, click on that because data is already modified. And this is just a repetition of the procedure. So just you have to update the mesh. That's all you need over here. We're not going to apply those commands which we did in the meshing video again. This is just to confirm the things before we go for the solution in the Fluent. Okay, click on generate. This is done successfully. Just close the meshing application. Right click here, click on the update. So this is very necessary to check everything before you proceed for the next part. And now double click on the setup to open the Fluent and click on these green ticks. Now this part should be no more here. Okay, so I think we should be edit the incoming part. So okay, one more thing is that still is there. That is about the some content regions. So I am going to delete these content regions again in the meshing application. This may be a little bit confusing to you, but it's not a confusing thing at any all. This is how the Ansys Workbench works on these parts. So delete these parts and Okay, so I'm going to close the Fluent. Okay, now simply save the project and close meshing application and update again here. Okay, so I just confirm everything is all right. The only extra thing we have here, this one is these lines here, and but there's no worry about that thing because they are the part of interior, so there's no interface between them. This is the outlet, this is the interior boundary, this is the inlet, and this is the aerofoil boundary. Okay, so now we start working on the Fluent part. That will be the part of the next video. So in this video, we just discuss about any issue you can face in the Workbench and how to solve them